Hey Credit Cousins, today we are talking about a grant that allows you job security, passive income, and lots of other benefits. Keep watching to learn more. The Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act grant, aka the WIOA grant, is a grant that offers you to go to a commercial driver's license school for free. The WIOA grant is available for truck drivers. The WIOA funds have been used by thousands of people to pay for some of their truck driving school tuition. This grant offers youth and adult programs, but let's talk about adult program grants in this video. If you are in the lower income bracket and want to get trained as a truck driver, you may be eligible for the WIAO Adult Program Grant. Sometimes your local job center will combine the adult program grant with other grants that you could be eligible for to pay for your truck driving school tuition, as well as other expenses such as transportation and accommodation costs. In order to qualify for the adult program grant, you will need a high school diploma or equivalency, and you will need to choose a qualified CDL school. So how to qualify for any of the available grants? You will need to contact your local workforce development office. I will link each state's local workforce development office in the video description below. They do mention on the website that once you've been approved for a grant, you will need to find a trucking school that participates in the program. Not all schools do, so it's very important to check first. If you're not sure what schools participate in the program, you can ask your local workforce development office for help. I will provide you with a website where all you have to do is put in your zip code or address in the search bar, and it will give you the local workforce development office near you. This is a great opportunity to take advantage of. Here are some great opportunity examples of what you can do with the CDL and make a very good penny. You could become a truck driver. Most average around $60,000 to $100,000 a year, depending on the state and company. Owner operators can make $200,000 plus a year. Transit and intercity bus drivers make a national average of $50,000 a year. Heavy equipment hauling drivers make a national average salary of $64,000 a year. A dispatcher can make between $50,000 to $60,000 a year. Delivery truck drivers can make between $50,000 to $60,000 a year, and waste management drivers can make between an average of $50,000 to $60,000 a year. Now, you can obviously make way more depending on the years of experience and the type of company you are with, but this is a national type of salary that I'm mentioning. They can also give you a gas per mile stipend if your commute to the school is far from where you live. You may have to ask for this stipend when you talk to your local workforce department and if it's available to you. The link to this grant website and how to find more information will be linked below. If you have any additional questions, please let me know. And if you don't qualify, please share this video with someone who does. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and find a link in the video description below and pin comments on this video to join the private group Credit Cousins to keep up with more credit tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Bye.